go mga kabaso! We'll go to fucking special barbecue na!
Ah. Oh. Kinahanglan kuan ko. Bawal mo katawa. Bawal mo katawa. Bawal mo Bisaya. Bawal mo Tagalog. Kung magtagalog mo, kinahanglan kami mo bayad sa inyong kikaon.
Oh, dapat mo intro ka. Dapat mo intro.
Mo gani. Ha?
Mag-English mo intro mo, mayon ka mo.
Oh, adili. Ako ibang sa Wilson, ako may nagputsali. Dahil si Gayo.
English.
Ha? Lala. Ha? Kung kakatawanan gani mo, katawan mo dan karon. Kaya mo sige bawa. Bawa ni dawa. Asaman, lagi. Okay. Alright, mga kabaser. Nakadibindiri karon. Magpa barbecue challenge me. Ako mga kauban kini si Kuan ay. Si.
Pasmotske.
Ayun si.
Iron Man.
Pudo. Mas mas Iron Man. Let's go. Kising ano?
Kise.
Kisses. Mora to ha. Magpa-challenge me niya. Kinalang bawal ang Bisaya. Ha, bawal Bisaya. Bawal ang Tagalog. Kung mag-Tagalog kamo ibabayad sa inyong kikaon. Ah, sige.
Mag-start na ka punta dito.
Oh.
Dito na mag-start.
Mag-start.
Okay, alright.
Nigtabog sa kasada mo na start na.
Okay.
Ah, sige. Tara. Go, let's go. What's up mga kabaser? For today's video mga kabaser, namin din mga on me dito din. Atong me dito eh. Atong me dito.
Blah, 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 blah. Mga kabaso, let's get na mga kabaso ha. The barbecue man!
Good morning, good evening. Okay. Hello,
this
Te.
one.
I would like to order. How much no? 100?
My order, okay.
Give me. Okay.
This one to one.
I would like to order
2 pieces.
4
Circle pork.
four pieces of this. And then one of this. Yes. This is my order. And then how much, matter? How much is this all? Hey, how much? How much is this all? How much? With additional 2 rice. Okay.
Uno, masih binti.
Surely one. And then
Ay mo. This one? Imo buwan, asa mo? Asa?
Speak English!
Pila mo ha?
Speak English!
3 pieces of this.
So, what's yours?
Hot dog and kidney.
Kidney?
Yeah, you take kidney of the chicken.
Kidney or chicken?
Yes.
May kidney bang chickens?
Hey!
What's the kidney? What's the kidney in here? There's no kidney. Okay.
chicken. This is
How much, Nay?
circle pork. What call it is circle pork?
Ako ano yung pot?
Okay. Okay.
Will...
We're waiting. Okay, we're waiting now. My stomach is very hungry now.
Mago, asa yung mago?
This one. This one has 2 pieces
Tingnan na
circle
eh.
pork and stomach the pig. 2 pieces.
What can you say about our vlog, mother? What can you say?
I'm saying,
Say English, mother.
so thanks
What can you say?
for the vlogger Ricardo Cabigas. Thank you for your
Subscribe and like.
okay.
Share,
Share
subscribe.
and subscribe.
Ricardo Cabigas, on the mix.
Thank you for the sponsor, ha.
Thank you for the sponsor. 100.
Guys, so I'm so very hungry, guys.
Yes. We would like to say thank you to
Thank you for
Ricardo
our-
Cabigas for
Mating ka ko na.
Okay.
Thank you. We would like to say thank you for Ricardo
rice.
Cabigas for
Where's my rice?
what's the English of libre?
Libre,
Sponsor. Okay.
Sponsored
For the
by-
sponsorship by Ricardo Cabigas for treating us our food today.
sponsor now.
Where are you eating, Master? Where are you eating, Master?
Ay mo.
This is my rice. Thank you for the sponsor. Let me eat this.
Where's my rice? No rice. You.
Yours. It's yours.
Huwag plato sa padong.
Oh. How to speak English now?
Hey, sauce and ketchup, please. The sauce and ketchup. You have to speak English but eating, okay?
Okay, guys, I'm waiting for guys.
Plato sa rin.
I have 2 pieces rice.
Yes.
Plato plato.
This is my plastic. Where's your plastic? Oh, you got your plastic. Where's plastic?
Plato plato.
Oh, one thing.
One day.
Okay. We are eating now. Thank you again to the sponsor, Ricardo Cabigas. We would like to do this again tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Morning? No. We would like to shout out. Should I shout out one? Oh, why don't you speak English?
Oh,
Why are you speaking English? This is a challenge.
ayun no split.
This is a challenge. You should speak English. Come on.
Guys,
Yeah, this is our
Yeah,
food,
record,
guys.
guys.
See,
so I'm waiting for the food.
this is our food.
Thank for the Lord to give me this one the
Food for the day. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Pahaya naman.
We would like to sponsor. Thank you again.
supplementar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of rice. Come on. Eating guys. Guys, eating. That's it guys.
Ako na pala sa drink. Kumain ako na sa drink.
Guys, that's it. I like the stomach of pig. This one.
Because it's called chicken intestine. How to eat this? You have to make it like this and then dig and then mix it with rice and then dunk it to your mouth, okay?
Order nimo. Ha.
So, that's it guys. How to eat hotdog. This is how you eat
Hotdog daw. Balog
hotdog.
Eh hotdog, balog mo hotdog.
This is how you eat street foods. Street foods, okay? Yo, there and then. Thank you for the food, guys.
Alright, manamig kaon mga kabaser no. Nagwag kaon mo naman ay.
400.
Nakabayag jud ko na.
400 worth. Alright, guys. Hello.
Busog.
Yes, very, very good.
Busog?
Very good.
Yeah. Thank you for your sponsor.
Ikaw busog.
What? What?
Busogin.
Yeah.
Ikaw.
Yeah.